What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Tate. I'm back in the building. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing or unpackaging a BeltBro Pro. Now, I originally bought the original one, but they upgraded me, so I don't know how the original one looks. So because they sent me the Pro, as you can see, as the packaging says, so I wouldn't know the difference between the regular one or the actual Pro. Okay, so I saw one of these online, I believe on Facebook or Instagram. It was one of them, and thought that it would fix a problem that I personally have. I hate belt buckles in front of me. I don't know, but I need something to hold my pants up. I don't like sagging or anything like that. That's not my style, but I hate belts, especially if I have something casual on. This should do the trick, but it's just meant to replace your traditional belt. Of course, if I bring a belt into the screen, you know, you have the belt buckle. For me, if we slide this out, of course you guys already know what a traditional belt buckle is. You don't need me to explain that, but this is always pinching and always grabbing, and it's just always in the way when I'm trying to be a little bit more agile. That's just my personal opinion, and maybe someone out there may have the same issue. So according to their website, that's exactly what they are trying to accomplish by creating this product. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the packaging. Okay, so if you were to actually buy this product, this is how they're going to come. The ultra light no buckle belt, which again is the reason why I actually bought it. Secures around two side belt loops, so you basically put this item between two belt loops, as you can see on the picture right here, and then just strap it and pull it, I guess, as tight and snug as you want to have it, so that your pants won't actually sag down, and it should mimic an actual belt. But I'm going to put it to the test and actually see what it do. So let's open up one of these bad boys and see what we got. Okay, so right out the bat, the materials do feel rather, I don't want to say premium, but they feel pretty good. They don't feel cheap, let's say that. There's Velcro, and I guess this particular size right here would be more so for men, and then as you go down there for kids, I guess this size right here is for kids. This size may be for women. I'm not sure. We're gonna test them out. And basically it goes through your buckle on two different buckles, and then you wrap it around and then tighten, and it's supposed to keep your pants up and be out of the way. This could be like for the left side, and this one for the right side, depending on, you know, how you want to set it up. You actually can just put one on one side if that'll do the trick for you, and be done with it. Or again, if you want to use two for maximum support, as the website stated, you'll just put one of each of the same size on either side of your body, like on the left or the right, and you'll be good to go according to the website. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to find the two loops that you want to have this on, either on the right or the left side. If you want to do both, just start with the right side, go in between those two loops, fold one side over one loop, and then come back with the other one and fold it in the opposite direction on top of that fold. And that's all you have to do to tighten this bad boy up. Of course, adjust as needed, but for the most part, if you attach this to two belt loops, it's going to do the job. So you do it on the opposite side, just what you did on the right hand side or whichever side you started with, and you're good to go. It is unnoticeable. You don't have to worry about a buckle. You don't have to worry about your britches, your pants, whatever you want to call them, falling down. But it is good to note that if you start getting belt loops that are kind of further apart, maybe 2 inches, 2.5, I'm not sure the measurements, but if they're extremely far apart, you're gonna see some bulging in your pants. And of course, I know that's not really desirable from some people, but if those belt loops are closer together or an average size belt loop distance, you will have a very good experience with these bad boys. So at the end of the day, are these worth the money? They are 100% worth the money, and I will be using these for my work pants. As you saw in those images, those were just me trying to do something very quick with them. That was my first time experimenting with these particular non-belts, and I will say that they did do the job that they were designed to do. Now keep in mind, these are the pros. If you do buy the regular ones, I don't have any idea how those look, but I'm pretty sure if they're anything like this, they are absolutely dope. 100% will recommend if you're looking for something like this. Lightweight, out of the way, it doesn't irritate you at all in the slightest, and it actually keeps your pants up. But anyway, if you found this video useful or informative, drop your boy a like, and as always, share the video and make sure that you are subscribed yourself. We are almost to the next level of monetization on this particular channel, and I'm excited that you guys decided to subscribe here. Anyway, this your boy Tate. I'm gone. Peace.